Ever wondered how you could harness the power of privacy-focused cryptocurrencies to earn some extra cash? Well, today, we're diving deep into the world of Beam Wallet to uncover the secrets of generating income with this innovative platform. Before we delve into the earning strategies, let's quickly recap what Beam Wallet is. It's a non-custodial wallet that allows you to securely store and manage Beam, a privacy-focused cryptocurrency. The unique feature of Beam is its ability to provide complete anonymity to its users. This level of privacy opens up a world of opportunities for earning. Earning strategies on Beam Wallet. Now, let's explore the primary ways you can earn on Beam Wallet. Masternode rewards. What is a masternode? A masternode is essentially a node on the Beam network that helps validate transactions and secure the network. How to earn? By running a masternode, you contribute to the network's security and, in return, receive a portion of the block rewards. Requirements: to run a masternode, you'll need a specific amount of Beam as collateral. Staking. How it works: staking involves locking up a certain amount of Beam to support the network. In return, you'll receive rewards in the form of additional Beam. Benefits: staking is a relatively low-risk way to earn passive income. Trading. Leveraging volatility, Beam, like any other cryptocurrency, experiences price fluctuations. By trading Beam on exchanges, you can capitalize on these price swings. Risk and reward. While trading can be profitable, it also involves risk. It's essential to conduct thorough research and consider using stop-loss orders to limit potential losses. Community contributions. Active participation. Engaging with the Beam community can lead to rewards and recognition. Contributing to development. By contributing to the development of Beam, whether it's code, design, or marketing, you can earn tokens or other incentives. Tips for maximizing your earnings. Stay informed. Keep up to date with the latest news and developments in the Beam ecosystem. Diversify your earnings. Don't rely on a single strategy. A diversified approach can help mitigate risks. Security first. Prioritize the security of your Beam wallet. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and be cautious of phishing attacks. Community engagement. Actively participate in the Beam community to gain insights and potential earning opportunities. Beam Wallet offers a unique and exciting opportunity to earn cryptocurrency. By understanding the various strategies and implementing best practices, you can maximize your earnings potential. Remember, the cryptocurrency market is volatile, so it's important to approach it with a long-term perspective and a solid risk management plan. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.